program to find whether number is palindrome or not. First of all, let me tell you something about a palindrome number. A number which when reversed is same as the original number is known as palindrome number. Means suppose we have the number 121. If you reverse that number, again you get the same value, that is 121. This is called as palindrome number. So if a user enters such a number, we will display him that it is a palindrome or whether it is not palindrome. To begin with, let's start with our Turbo C. So file, new, file, save, delete, cp underscore experiment number 8 dot c, ok, give the comment, program to find whether a number is palindrome or not. To begin with, let's think of the algorithm. So it's very easy. First statement is start. Second, accept the number from user to calculate to find whether it is palindrome. Next, use the logic to calculate the reverse of number entered. Next, compare whether original number and reverse of that number are same. If they are similar, display entered number is palindrome, else display number is not palindrome. Last step, stop. Doing that, let's begin with implementing the code for the statements. Hash include stdio.h, hash include bonio.h, void main. Next, now we would have to accept a number, so take it at integer num. We will have to calculate its reverse, so declare the variable reverse. Then we would also require a variable for loop, so let's take it at I as I, and for any intermediate calculations, if we require, then we will declare it later on. Okay, now next step, your favorite CLR, SCR. Okay, by mistake it has been clicked by me. CLR SCR is done. Now next is accept the number from user, so display the message printed /n, enter the number to find whether it is palindrome. /n, at end semicolon, enter, use scanf, %d, comma ampersand, store that value in variable num. Now before proceeding to the logic of calculating the reverse of a number, we are going to use the modular 10 division logic by finding out the remainder and the multiplication logic to get the reverse of that number. For doing that, initially we assign the value of reverse as 0. Next, we give the counter variable value of the number. Next, we continue to calculate the steps while the value of number is greater than 0. Moving on further, we will calculate a formula, that is reverse is equal to reverse plus reverse mod of 10, multiplication of 10 by mistake, multiplication of 10 plus number mod of 10. So over here I am going to get the remainder and I would be calculating the reverse using this formula. I would update my counter value as num equal to, as I have assigned I over here and I am going to require the variable. So this num would be replaced by I. Over here this num again would be replaced by I, and over here I would be equal to I divided by 10. That is the new value for the variable I. Next, moving on. So this will continue till my value of I is greater than 0. Now moving on next, once I get my reverse, now it's my duty to compare. So if REB value is equal to comparison operator, my original number, that is num value, I am going to display the message printf /n %d is palindrome number /n comma my value is in num, else printf /n %d is not a palindrome number, /n double quotes complete comma num and followed by a terminator semicolon. That's it. The same thing is written over here as the comments which I have just mentioned. At last, your favorite get ch. And by stop, we will have a closing curly bracket. Alt F, save, we'll see, enter, no error, Alt R, run. So basically, what I will do now, I will first enter a number which is palindrome itself. So I enter 1 to 1. I get 1 to 1 is a palindrome number. So if you see, if I read it from left to right or if I read it from right to left, I am going to get the same value. That's why it is showing palindrome number. Okay, I put yes. I again go for Alt C. I success, Alt R, enter. Now I enter 1 to 3. My output should be 1 to 3 is not a palindrome number, because if I calculate the reverse of 1 to 3, it will give me 3 to 1. So that summarizes it. If a number and its reverse value is similar, then that number is treated as palindrome. We have implemented this using a while loop. That's it in this program. Thank you.